How to download iOS 13.3 beta. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily download iOS 13.3 beta. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is back up your iPhone. The iOS 13.3 beta is still in development, which means some of the application and services may not work as expected, and their data may not be backwards compatible, so be sure to back up your iOS device. And once you have backed up your device, the second thing you need to do is sign into the Apple Developer Center. So here you will find this link right here, developer.apple.com/account. Then you need to join the Apple Developers Program, and there is no requirement for payment. You just have to sign in and agree to the terms and conditions. And once you have done that, you can just go to the next step and enable beta updates. To do that, you just have to head over to your settings, tap on software update, and turn on the beta updates. Go ahead and turn on iOS 18 developer beta. And once that is done, you will have to update your iPhone. Go to the software update, wait for a moment for the update to appear, then tap on the update now button and start the download. So go ahead and press on this and you can start the download. And once you download it, you will have to provide some feedback. Once the beta is installed, it will come with a built-in feedback feature and assistant app, which can be launched from the second page of your home screen. And when you come across an issue that needs addressing, you can send your feedback to Apple with the feedback assistant. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.